Follow me and let me show you how to do this. Okay, a quick one. Solution, given that A is equals to 5, 2, 1, 0, 6, 3, 8, 4, and 7. But to find determinants of this matrix, how do we find it? Very simple. Now, before you find the determinant of the matrix, you have to first convert this matrix to be a square matrix, because you can only find a determinant of a square matrix. So now let's convert this matrix and put this in a square, make it to be a square form. So we have that A, determinant of A will now be what? We have 5, 2, 1, 0, 6, 3, 8, 4, 7. Okay, so now let's find the determinant of this matrix. So the determinant of A will now be, first of all, you pick. Now, this is a very, very vital stage. You have to be very, very careful when you're trying to solve this. Now, let's pick 5. First of all, start with the first element of the first matrix. So you pick 5. Okay, come with me. Like, this is a very critical stage. You have to do it step by step. So let us pick 5. Pick 5. Put 5 here. Okay, now 5 falls under what? 5 falls under row 1 and column 1. So 5 falls under row 1 and column 1. So now you're picking 5. You don't want to pick anything that belongs to 5, that falls under 5. Okay, so now 5 falls under row 1 and column 1. So now you're going to cover it. You cover row 1 and column 1. Okay, so you're going to cover row 1 and column 1. Then you have 5 multiplying by. Now you cover row 1 and column 1. So you're not dealing with this element. Okay, so because 5 falls under row 1 and column 1, so you're going to 5 into 6, 3, 4, 7. Okay, and that is it. Okay, for this 5. And mind you, the of the matrix, this is plus and this is negative and this is what? Plus. Okay, so since you're finished picking your 5 is what positive, there's no point putting plus 5 here. It doesn't make any sense. So we have 5 here. So the second element of the first row is what? -2, because here represents minus, so becomes -2, because our 2 is positive, so because it's negative sign, it becomes -2. So I have this be -2 into, now again, -2 falls under what? Row 1 and column 2. Okay, this is 6. So row 2 falls under row 1 and column 2. So you're covering row 1 and column 2. Okay, now you're going to pick, you're covering row 1 and column 2.